GoDaddy is a website builder with over 1 million paying customers. But is it right for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing a website building tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a GoDaddy customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. GoDaddy offers high-quality social media and email marketing features. It also includes an in-platform SEO keyword research tool, and you can generate reports for your sales and customer data. On the other hand, GoDaddy's website builder is not the most intuitive and is not drag and drop. It also does not offer extensions or plugins that expand the functionality of its platform, and its blog feature is far more basic than what's offered by alternatives. GoDaddy's pricing ranges from $6.99 to $29.99 per month. It offers both website and e-commerce plans, and you can save up to 41% if you pay for the annual subscription upfront. GoDaddy includes a builder that lets you customize your website's design and edit its pages. Overall, GoDaddy's website builder will help you build a standard website. However, the feature has below average usability. A major disadvantage of GoDaddy's website builder is that it is not drag and drop. GoDaddy lets you upload a wide variety of site elements, including images, videos, files, and audio. Unfortunately, it is difficult to add simple site elements with GoDaddy's builder. For example, to add a standalone image, you would have to choose one of the image layouts that includes text and then delete the text elements. Search bars and site navigation elements are also only available in certain templates. You also cannot place different site elements in the same line, as each site element is a separate section on your pages, which limits design flexibility. In addition to building a website, GoDaddy can be used to run an e-commerce business. GoDaddy offers key e-commerce features, including inventory management, and it lets you add physical and digital products to your e-commerce store and track your inventory. Overall, GoDaddy's inventory management feature is above average, but its inventory tracking feature is just average. Unlike other solutions, GoDaddy offers an in-platform SEO tool that generates keywords you can use to optimize your website pages. Overall, this is a simple feature that offers a nice introduction for those who are unfamiliar with keyword research. In order to use this tool, you would need to input 1 or 2 keywords that you think best describe your website. Afterwards, GoDaddy will generate other keywords you can choose from. You can then include these keywords in your page title, description in Google search, and your website's content. Overall, GoDaddy is an easy-to-use, basic website building platform that includes digital marketing tools. However, it should be noted that its platform is not as feature-rich as its competitors like Wix and Squarespace. If you want a highly customizable website builder that is accessible for beginners, then we recommend looking into Wix. If you want more control over your website's design and functionality, then we recommend looking into WordPress. If you want the best website builder for design and showing off visual work, then we recommend looking into Squarespace. If you're interested, you can try GoDaddy today by clicking the link in the description. Do you agree with our recommendation for GoDaddy? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.